everyone, I am Gunjan Pal. I am studying in BIS Grade 3 Bahrain. Today I am speaking about Save Birds. The birds play an important role to balancing the nature and environment. Birds makes us smile. Birds are golden treasure. Save it for pleasure. Birds will fly. Do not let them die. It is our duty to save nature's beauty. They make you smile. Let them live for a while. Let us protest to make them protect. Birds are fair. Do not make them rare. Do not kill birds blindly. Save them kindly. So please everyone, save birds and nature. Thank you.